I'm making this video and I know why. Yeah.
These are my friends Kim and Tim. They are by far my favorite dancing fitness couple. They sent me this website called Atlas Obscura that shows you all kinds of hidden gems in whatever area you live in, like the Lucky Cat Museum. Meow. So I texted Afroman to see if he wanted to film, but he ghosted me.
But then I got high.
According to Atlas, my name is Jamie. According to Atlas Obscura, the closest cool thing to me is a grave. Apparently, Frederick invented the Pringles can. I have a ton of friends and family back here, but I didn't realize they were in such good company. As nice as it was to pay homage to the guy that invented the Pringles can, it was time to go find the Cincinnati Yellow Lamps. If you want to join their Facebook page, they have just under 800 virgins. Their most recent Facebook post had some serious drama. One of their locations went from 3 lamps to 2 lamps. I didn't have the heart to tell them that location is down to 1 lamp. This very rare and previously undocumented yellow lamp sighting is actually where my grandpa was a crossing guard for a few decades. You may remember him as the inspiration behind my Extreme Cheapskates episode. Roll it.
My grandpa got me into this when I was a kid, and I remember he had this old woody wagon, and he lived on a hill. And when he was when he would put it in neutral and just guide 2 miles down the hill, and then he would start the car when he got to the bottom. So you know he was getting infinite miles per gallon.
Oh, sorry, I forgot I was editing a video. The next stop was to visit the 9th President of the United States. I was particularly excited for this because I've had a chance to meet 2 former presidents. The first thing I noticed when I pulled in was that they had painted over the handicap parking signs. I wasn't allowed to bring my skateboard, and the drinking fountain wasn't working. The view is incredible up here. And they've even got these trash cans to keep the bears out. Sorry, I couldn't resist. Back to the video. It's so neat that I wanted to get a closer look, but my princess key wouldn't work. According to Google, our 9th President of the United States was 5 foot 4 inches tall. But I'm starting to doubt that based on the size of his monument. Did you know the Pringles guy? My next stop was supposed to be the Hollow Earth Monument, but that sounded dumb. Everyone knows the Earth is flat. I waited for the rain to stop before heading out to tear down the statue.
This is the first statue I literally want to tear down. You know what this statue has in common with Joe Burrow's offensive line? They don't move enough. How has lightning not struck this thing? Where are these kids' parents? I can't believe a scrapper hasn't stolen this for metal. You can see that little girl's wiener. I'd rather tear this statue down than one of Stephen Hawking. But then again, I don't know if there's any statues of Stephen Hawking still standing. This statue has been here for 91 years. How many kids have seen this and tried to breastfeed? From an animal not named Mom.
So Mussolini gave the statue to Cincinnati, but I'm pretty sure he followed Hitler on Twitter. Unless they turn this statue into an iPhone charging station, this thing's gotta go. Holy crap, somebody beat me to it. You gotta be kidding me.
The whole reason I joined Antifa was to annoy my dad. I mean, tear down statues. Talk about rock bottom.
Don't ever take Antifa for granted. Yeah, I literally had no idea that the statue had already been torn down. Then I visited the highest point in Ohio. Actually, it was the 2nd highest point in Ohio.
I was gonna record with Greg Insco, but then I got high. Yeah. Yeah, because I got high. La da 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 da. Hey, I'm sorry, Greg, man. I got high, man. Let's do it again, man. We're going to record it this time, all right?